target.
It's low and right a little bit.
On target. On target.
Okay.
Up 6. On target. Target. On seeped. On target. Dead center. 6.5 up. And 2. Hit. It's about 2 inches to the left and 2 inches high.
Oh, wow.
I'm not changing anything. Spot on.
Yeah, that's perfect for first shot.
Hit. And then.
Let me see if I can see it. Yeah, the second one was way to the right, almost to the edge of the right.
Yeah.
Alright, back off a little bit. Yeah, I should have put like a white ring around it. Makes it easier to see.
Well, I'm sure once you got your scope, it'll be,
Alright, on target. Hit. On target.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
That sounded pretty solid.
Up and to the left.